Hello, welcome to the video. In this video we're going to be installing the OpenCart e-commerce software through the Thexyz server. So I've logged into my server control panel here, and you'll notice there's the installer tab in the menu here. And I have installed applications or applications installer. So this is going to allow me to install new applications. So you'll see here we've got some of our most popular scripts here, and OpenCart is one of them. So I'm going to click on OpenCart here, and you'll see it's selected it from the menu. There's the domain that I'm going to be installing it on, and I can also put it in a subdirectory. So this OpenCart is going to be added to the end of the domain. So it's going to be srvr.webhostingdocs.com/OpenCart. Now this is going to be the admin user. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to make it really simple. It's not a good idea to use admin as the username and password as the password, just for the purpose of this tutorial. So you put your email address in here, and the database prefix can be left as such. We're going to use an automatic database creation, and then when we're ready, we're just going to click install down here. So now the server's downloading all the necessary files and folders to install OpenCart, and you see it's been successfully installed. So here we have details of the installation, the username admin, the password, the database that it installed for us, and the admin URL. So this is where we can log in and manage OpenCart. So here is the administration portal. You see it's accessible just by adding admin to the end. And there you go. Log into OpenCart like so, and begin building your online store. So again, this is accessible through the subfolder that we specified. And there we go, we already have a store pre-built, ready for customizing. So that's it for a tutorial on how to install OpenCart with the Thexyz. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.